Slim and sleek, RAVPower portable charger review. Slim and sleek, RAVPower portable charger review. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a reliable portable charger is essential. Whether you're a frequent traveler, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone who is constantly on the go, Porta Blade Charger can be a lifesaver when your devices run out of battery. One such portable charger that has been garnering attention is the RAVPower portable charger. With its slim and sleek design, it promises to keep your devices powered up wherever you are. Let's take a closer look at this popular device, its features, and whether it lives up to the hype. Design and build quality. One of the standout features of the RAVPower portable charger is its slim and sleek design. Measuring just a few inches in length and width, and barely an inch in thickness, it is incredibly compact and easy to carry around. The exterior is crafted with a smooth and matte finish that gives it a premium feel. The charger is also lightweight, weighing in at just under 10 ounces, which makes it convenient to toss into your bag or pocket while on the move. Battery capacity and output. The RAVPower portable charger comes with a 1000 mAh battery capacity, which is sufficient to charge most smartphones multiple times. It is compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and more. The charger offers a maximum output of 2,4 A, allowing for fast charging of your devices. It also features an intelligent charging technology that automatically detects and delivers the optimal current to your devices, ensuring a safe and efficient charging experience. Charging speed and efficiency. When it comes to charging speed, the RAVPower portable charger does not disappoint. Thanks to its 2,4 A output, it is capable of charging most smartphones from 0 to 100% in under 2 hours, which is impressive considering its compact size. Additionally, the intelligent charging technology mentioned earlier contributes to the charger's efficiency by preventing overcharging, overheating, and short circuiting. Convenience and portability. The RAVPower portable charger is designed with convenience and portability in mind. It features a built-in LED indicator that lets you easily check the remaining battery level. The charger also includes multiple charging ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. This feature is especially useful when traveling with friends or family. Furthermore, the charger supports fast rough charging, which means you can charge both the portable charger and your device simultaneously. This is a significant advantage as it saves time and ensures that both devices are ready to go and you need them. Durability and safety. The RAVPower portable charger is built to last. Its durable construction can withstand accidental drops and minor impacts, making it perfect for outdoor activities or adventures. It also incorporates advanced safety features, including short-circuit protection, overcharge protection, and over-discharge protection. These safety measures ensure the longevity of both the charger and your devices, providing added peace of mind. User-friendly features. The RAVPower portable charger comes with a range of user-friendly features. It includes a power button that allows you to easily turn the charger on or off. Additionally, it has a built-in flashlight, which can be extremely handy in emergency situations or when you find yourself in low light conditions. Customer reviews and feedback. The RAVPower portable charger has received overwhelmingly positive reviews from users. Many reviewers have highlighted its slim and sleek design, fast charging speed, and overall reliability. Users have also praised the charger for its excellent build quality and durability. Furthermore, the exceptional customer service provided by RAVPower has also been appreciated by customers. To continue the content, we can delve into the additional features and accessories that come with the RAVPower portable charger, as well as its compatibility with various operating systems. Additional features and accessories. In addition to its sleek design and fast charging capabilities, the RAVPower portable charger also offers some convenient features and accessories. It comes with a built-in micro USB cable, allowing you to charge your devices without the need for extra cables. This eliminates the hassle of carrying around multiple cords and ensures that you always have a charging solution readily available. Furthermore, the charger includes a handy travel pouch, which provides protection and keeps all the accessories organized when not in use. The pouch is designed to fit the portable charger snugly, making it easy to slip into your bag or suitcase while on the move. Compatibility with operating systems. The RAVPower portable charger is compatible with various operating systems, including iOS, Android, and Windows. Whether you have an iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or any other popular smartphone, this charger can efficiently power it up. It is also compatible with tablets, smartwatches, Bluetooth earphones, and other USB-powered devices, making it a versatile option for all your charging needs. Customer satisfaction and warranty. RAVPower is known for its commitment to customer satisfaction, and the portable charger is no exception. The company offers a reliable customer support team that is readily available to assist with any queries or concerns. Additionally, the charger comes with an 18-month warranty, which provides peace of mind and ensures that you are covered in case of any defects or issues with the device. In summary, the RAVPower portable charger is a slim, sleek, and reliable device that offers fast charging speed, convenience, and a range of user-friendly features. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it the perfect companion for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone in need of a portable charging solution. Whether you're on a long journey, attending a conference, or simply out and about, this charger will ensure that your devices stay powered up and ready to go. Don't miss out on the convenience and reliability that the RAVPower portable charger has to offer. Continuing the content, let's explore the different charging modes and the efficiency of the RAVPower portable charger.